Ladies and gentlemen, we have a beautiful setup on Cadchf right here on the 15 minutes time frame, stop loss of 4 pips and target of 98 pips, making it a 1 to 23.3 risk reward ratio. So watch the rest of the video to find out what I'm looking for and everything else. Alright, so let's go to the higher time frame and see what is happening. Let's go to the daily time frame right here. Okay, so what is happening here? Let's zoom out. We define the overall direction of the market. So from here you can see that the market has been going to the downside. However, we saw the market pushing to the upside right here, but it failed to break this high right here, meaning the market is continuing in the downtrend, which is the major direction of the market. All right, so when we come here, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So what can we see from the 4-hour time frame? We can see that this trend to the downside had continued. You can see that the market has always been trading below this level right here. So assume that the market is still respecting the downtrend. Then something significant happened last week. We saw that the market came and took out these lows right here, which tells us that the market is likely to continue in that direction. So the taking out of this rally based drop supply zone right here, this low right here, is very significant. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that week that was looking like a week, this is the same move right here, block structure. So what do you see? This is a rally based drop supply zone. It's a rally based drop supply zone, and you can see that the market broke this low right here. But also the market broke this low with big momentum candles, which was driven by news, and always important. And whenever you have such a scenario, just know that we have levels, we have orders which were left behind at this level right here. And so this is a typical presentation of what we call a price of a typical presentation of what we call a price cycle, right? So this is a consolidation, expansion. We are now looking at a retracement. Then after this retracement, what we always want to see is the market coming back into this area so that we can see a reversal. So this is pure price cycle, right? So let's see. And remember, whenever there's a consolidation, it means that there's equal demand and equal supply. And then one will exceed the other, and then price is either going to go up or down. Right here, it means that there was more supply than demand, therefore the market went down. And then what happened? We saw the market taking out this. Whenever we have this some type of movement, the market always leaves behind order blocks, right? So that was our job. We went on the lower time frame to find the order block, and once we found the order block, we waited for the market to come into our area. So you can see that we had a nice rally based drop with big momentum candles. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. If you look here, you can see that the market left what? Equal highs right here. So we had this touch here, we had this touch and this touch right here. These were equal highs which are left behind. And you always remember, whenever we have equal highs like that, that's liquidity. We always want to make sure that the market takes out that liquidity before we can get involved. Okay, and I know once the market opens, there's going to be an Asian session. So our job will be to wait for the market to take out the Asian session and also the liquidity which was left behind right here, the equal highs. And once that has happened, that's when we're going to get involved. If the market comes into this area, that's the only time we're going to get involved. Otherwise, we're going to stay away and wait until the market gives us an opportunity to get involved. We don't set pending orders here because we know that at any time the market can just choose to just continue to go to the upside. As I always say, on a trade by trade basis, it's all random. There's no way to know. There is no way for us to know in advance that this setup might hold, right? So we are going to just set our lights and wait for the market to come into our area. And once the market comes, we're able to send this in our signals community like we always do. And yeah, so for now, it's just the waiting game. We're just going to wait and see what happens. So this is a nice consolidation right here, break of structure to the downside. We have the retracement right here, and then we're waiting for a reversal. And when before this reversal happens, the market has left some inefficiency right here, and this is going to act as an efficiency, to act like as a magnet to try and push price to this level right here. We assume that at this level right here, we have unfulfilled orders which needs to be fulfilled before the market can continue to go to the downside. And remember, we also have a lot of liquidity right here. We have a lot of marked dates here and fulfilled orders, which needs to be taken out right here. So therefore, we're going to anticipate that the market might come all the way to this level. And then also, I love how this market was going to the upside. You guys, this is what we call compression plus liquidity. This is Cplq. If you remember, if you have some basic knowledge on Q, this is what we call Cplq. So this is compression plus liquidity. Whenever you have such happening, it always responds with the big candles, right? Because there's a lot of this is happening. The market was compressing right here, and we're going to anticipate the market take out the liquidity. Once that has happened, then we can see the market now push into the downside in a beautiful way. And like I've said, when the market comes to our area, we have a confirmation. That's the only way we are going to see the trade. And like I've shared these particular signals in our private mentorship community. You can see that all these forecasts have been shared already. Let me just show you. So far we've forecasted about 5 pairs right here. So we have Cadchf right here. We have Cadchf. We have Euro Swiss. We have NZD card right here. So Cadchf. We have Euro Swiss. We have NZD card. We have GBP card, and also we have Euro card. So these are the 5 pairs we've forecasted. And tomorrow again, we're going to go through the market and find pairs which look promising, and all the pairs are going to be shared in our private community like we always do. All right, so if you like the way we trade and you'd like to trade exactly like I've shown you, the first link in the description has you covered. We have our M&F mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. It goes in depth more than what we are offering you right here. So check it out if you want to be able to trade like us, and also want to be part of our community. The first link in the description gives you access to that. If you want signals, there's the Telegram community. There's a Telegram community right here. There's a Telegram chat. You can actually follow that link, and then you'll be able to talk to me, and then we'll hook you up with our signals community. All right, you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.